Hi, welcome to Distracker channel. This is a very important from every websiters. If you are new website or existing website, major option is called your website will be all pages index or anything. How to know about this one? So this is iamfit.in my website. This website, how can I calling my search console option? First of all, this website will be important from the XML sitemap option. First of all, copy the URL. What are the URLs in my website? We first of all download it. That is the XML sitemap option. Free Blogger and free WordPress existing sitemap is there. Only we can updating for robo.txt file. This information will be providing for what is my last modification. If you what are the modification done, everything will be show the XML sitemap. If you are using dynamic website, we can updating XML sitemap every day or every week. This is a compulsory important. XML sitemap, they give complete information by the Google Search Console option in a sitemap based on robo.txt file. So this is already is there. How many links will be here? In my iamfit, right now I'm not submit XML sitemap. Out of 100 links, out of 200 links, how many will be indexed? That information will given by the XML sitemap. Select and page priority common. Frequency we can change. This value indicate how frequently the content at a particular URL is likely to change. So what are the priority will be changing the particular website based on the traffic. The two options enabled. This will be always. Start your XML sitemap. How many website links are there in your particular website? That all will be download on your XML sitemap option. So it's complete from download here. After download, view XML sitemap and download. What is the problem is called up to 50 links will be we can download at a time. 100 links will be downloaded at a time. But we can go to the pro sitemap will be up to supporting for 500 links. After 500, we have to pay some amount. This is the purpose. We can download unlimited sitemap purpose. We can using for another website. Is another website here. Check underscore domain.com. This will be download for unlimited pages. Is up to 500. That is unlimited. View download. Here is a download. So they give you by one option. Why? Because already on sitemap is there. Remove the two things and download it. Sitemap downloaded. So in this purpose, first of all, the sitemap is done. Next one, the search console is appearance purpose. Copy the entire URL. We can create option name is called robo.txt file. This file indicate based on the XML sitemap, we can upload the file name is called robo.txt. Save as robots.txt. The file name is called robots.txt. Don't forget the file name. This is the name is called robots.txt. So where exactly you downloaded, open it is a perfect one. So now log in your cPanel. If you have free WordPress, free Blogger automatically, but paid one we can using for cPanel option. Log in cPanel, go to file manager. This understone will be complete for public underscore HTML. Upload the file. Select here. Where is the download is this? robo.txt and sitemap. This file is active or inactive stage. How to know this? After .in, we can slash sitemap.xml. This is your file updated. Today date, the file will be updated successfully. Next one, robo.txt file. After extension, robots.txt. File is properly allowed from your particular website. This will be. Only extension will be different. After .com robo.txt and second will extension will be sitemap.xml. After this updating, copy this extension, go to Google Search Console, update will be here. Where Google Search Console, it will be done. Next, we can refresh it here. Successful done by 16 URLs. Next, Bing Search Console, Site Explorer here. Everything will be shown to the customers. In this, when updating this content, you can update the sitemap also. So submit the sitemap. We can copy the complete URL, not for extension. Submit. On process, the time of within 24 hours, the link will be processing your particular website. So this is compulsory important to scroll the all URLs on Google Search Console purpose. Robo.txt and XML sitemap is very, very important. If any further question, you can ask me to channel. I definitely will be support you how we can optimize the all options. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.